Hi, my name is Wendy with WTI, and I'm really excited to share with you the Round Lab Birch Juice Moisturizing Sunscreen, SPF 50+. I really love this sunscreen. It's very smooth and soft and super hydrating. In fact, some days I find I'm skipping my moisturizer just to use this. And depending on your skin type, you can totally do that. I love that it doesn't leave a white cast. It protects my skin from the UV rays. It's full of amino acids. Now, amino acids are great for your skin's building blocks. And then it has all these other good ingredients such as minerals, hyaluronic acid, birch sap, and so forth. But what I love about this sunscreen is that it's ocean friendly. It's reef safe. So a lot of times there's sunscreens, when they wash off when we go into the water, it's actually affecting the ocean. And this is ocean friendly. I find that is a huge game changer for me. What I also like is that the texture is an essence type, which means it's a bit runny. It's not super creamy, it's not super thick, so it absorbs quickly. It does leave a nice glow on my skin afterwards. I think you're gonna love it, but that's my point of view.